Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a high altitude test here today. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. We've had some pretty decent weather the past couple of days here, so I went ahead and took the Mini 2 out for its second flight. This time, we did a high altitude test at 400 feet. So without any further ado, let's roll that clip in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do a high altitude test here today with the Mini 2. It's a gorgeous day here in Florida. Let's go ahead. We're going to start. We have screen recording on now. We have video is recording, and let's go ahead and get up in the air here.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay. And there are no planes in the vicinity. I can't hear anything or see anything. I've done a scan of the sky, so let's get it up 400 feet here and let's see what we get. $100. 200. 275. 300. 380. Okay, we're going to back this down here. We're at 399. Okay, let's go ahead and get it out over the lake. I'm going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal here a little bit, remembering the rule of thirds here. So let's do that. There we go. Okay. This is some very nice weather we're having, considering lately, at least for 2 weeks, we've had just incredible winds, and it's been next to impossible to fly anything. Okay, we're approaching the edge of the lake here. Okay, we are at the edge of the lake. Let's go ahead and point it over towards the other end. And you can see things from 400 feet that you really can't see from 100, that's for sure. So there's the edge of the lake over there. So let's go ahead and head in that direction. Right around 22 miles an hour. 1,200 feet away. And looking very good, 22 miles an hour. We are at 1,500 feet away. We are approaching the edge of the lake over there. Okay, we're there. Let's go ahead and point it back to my end of the lake here. One of the things you have to bear in mind when you're up at a higher altitude, it's not, for visual reference purposes, you need to realize you're up at 400 and not at 100, so things are going to look very different. So let's head in this direction here, which is back home. Okay, now let's go ahead and we'll get it out over the lake, and then we're going to do a return to home here. We do want to test this from this altitude, so we're going to just take it out just a little bit here. Okay, we're 500 feet out. Let's go ahead and do a return to home.
Go home.
Because it's up at 400 feet, you're not going to hear it until we probably get very closer here. Now we're going to adjust the pitch of the gimbal.
Landing.
Again, it does look off. It's at 200 feet, 100. This is not making any course corrections at all, so I'm going to go ahead and get this over here. I'll go ahead and bring this down now.
Landing.
All right, we had a successful test of a high altitude flight here with the Mini 2. As you can see, I had absolutely no issues with flying it at 400 feet. It was stellar. The 4K video from this is completely off the charts in my opinion. Getting a drone like this for the price that's at is a real winner. One of the issues that I noticed, and I believe DJI does not have, is it does not have precision landing. As when I did a return to home, it was going to land quite a ways off the mark, so I went ahead and took manual control. Question of the day. What do you think of the 4K video shot at 400 feet? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.